You are in a leadership role, but you spend most of your time focused on getting things done and none of it on inspiring others. You feel you've not achieved your full potential as a leader. You certainly want to inspire, engage, and motivate your team members and get your desired results, but you don't know exactly how to create a culture in which people show up as their authentic selves, support one another, and perform their best work as a team. If any of those sound like you, you're in the right place. I am Dr. Patricia Thompson, a corporate psychologist and executive coach. I've worked with leaders in small businesses all the way up to Fortune 100 companies since 2004. You may have come across my articles in Forbes, Harvard Business Review, Fast Company, and many other media outlets. Sign up now for this free, content-packed webinar to learn the 5 steps to lead your team to do great things by drawing on your natural talents. See you soon.